Oh, Super Bee, sorry. Super Bee. That's cool. Whoa, I love track bars. You know you're not playing around with track bars, right? Yeah, there it is. That's the one. Look at that. It's a bee. It's historic plates, eh?
It wouldn't work for us, but look how low the bars are at the back.
That's cool.
It is really good.
That's cool. There you go. You know what? It's kind of easier with this phone. Right? Hey, you want to help me? You want to help me? Here, look, watch. Yeah!